maybe you are looking for a good deal, or maybe you are looking for a penthouse, specifically in Marco Polo. I am going now in Marco Polo, and I want to show you the penthouse. This is a great deal because you can avail up to 25% discount, whether you are paying it spot cash or bank financing. Federalland is giving you 25% discount. So I will bring you there right now so that I will show you the penthouse in Marco Polo. Even the small units like the 3 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms and 1 bedrooms, the Federalland is now on promo, and they are giving 16%, 10%, 15% discounts, whether paying it spot cash or bank financing. So before I do have the video of the penthouse, but I want to retake video, refresh, so that you can see. And I'm now almost there in Marco Polo. So while driving, I took video, and hopefully you will like it because 25% is really huge discount. And we are almost there, arriving in Marco Polo, and I will show you the penthouse. And this is the road going to the Marco Polo. And Marco Polo is the Federalland, developed by Federalland, and this is the first Federalland project, and this is one of the big, large, spacious project. And currently the Tower 5 is ongoing construction. That's the last tower of Marco Polo. So before, that's the Marco Polo Plaza and Marco Polo Plaza Hotel, plus the 5 towers of the residential. And we are almost now here, arriving. And stay tuned because I will show you the penthouse. And maybe you are interested with the 2 bedrooms or the studio or the 1 bedroom. I mean. So Marco Polo also has can offer you that one. And that's the Marco Polo Hotel. And that's the tower 1 of Marco Polo. And those are the tower 3, 2, 4, and 5. So we are now here on the parking lot. We will park first. And this is the open parking of Marco Polo. We will find a good spot for the parking. I think we can park there. Here. I think here is better. And that's the Marco Polo Hotel. And that's the other development. It's 128 Neville Hills by Santa Lucia. And that's the tower 1 of Marco Polo. Those are the tower 4, 5, 3, and 2. And this is the open parking of the Marco Polo. And I will go first to the showroom, and maybe I will show you the lobby of the Marco Polo Hotel. And it's really hot right now. It's really hot. Going up. Pose. I will go first to the showroom of Marco Polo, and we are going inside the showroom. Marco Polo showroom. Park, please. And this is one of the penthouse, the lower penthouse. This is located on the tower 4 of the Marco Polo. And this is like, that's the main door of the penthouse. And to tell you, this is now for sale, and this is having a bridge discounts whether you are paying it spot cash or bank financing. The Marco Polo or the Federal Land will give you 25% discount from the price of 38.9. It will only becomes about less 25%, so it only becomes 25, around 25 million. So it's really huge discount. And that's the kitchen, and here is, I think you can turn this into your living or dining area, and that's the Marco Polo Hotel, and that's the Tower 2, that's the Tower 1, that's the Tower 3, and we are now on the Tower 4, and that's the Tower 5. That's the last phase of the Marco Polo, and that's below is the amenity, the swimming pool there. And here is your condo, and that's the kitchen and the maid's room, and here is the living area, the dining area, and you have here a space here, and this is around only 169 square meters, and tell you 25% discount is really a huge generous discount. And this is the powder room of the Marco Polo penthouse. This is the lower penthouse, because the higher penthouse, the 27A, has been sold already, because Federal Land has been given really huge discount. And here is your balcony. I will show you the balcony. And this is the balcony of the penthouse. Also huge balcony here. And that's the Tower 5. Tower 5 has already been almost there. And yeah. And let's go now to the rooms, the bedrooms of this penthouse. This is the lower penthouse. So just try to come here and try to compare the price of this penthouse to the other penthouse that is available on the market. This is the first bedroom, and with own balcony outside, and the view of the Tower 3 and the amenities. And let's go to the other bedrooms. And this one is the common toilet and shower, and this one is the second regular bedroom, and this one here is third regular bedroom with own toilet and bathroom. And you have the view of this beautiful city of Cebu. Those are the view of this penthouse, of this bedroom. And there's no possibility that something or any building that will block this view, because this is the corner, this is the Tower 4 of Marco Polo, and below are the villas. So all the view of that penthouse is yours. And this one is the bedroom. And here is another bedroom. So this is like the master's bedroom of this penthouse. And this is corner, and you have this beautiful glass wall, and you have view of the Tower 3, the Tower 2, the Tower 1, partly the view of the hotel, and the Tower 5, and the amenities below. And this is your master's bedroom, and comes with this closet, and this one is for the condenser. And you have your toilet and bathroom for the master's bedroom here, and you can slide this one open, and you have this lavatory. So to summarize what we have checked: first bedroom, or the main bedroom of the penthouse, with own toilet and bathroom, and first regular bedroom with own toilet and bathroom, and second regular bedroom with no toilet and bathroom, common toilet and bathroom for the two bedrooms here. And this one is a regular bedroom but no with balcony. The other one doesn't have balcony. So we have about 4 bedrooms on this penthouse level, and 1 toilet and bathroom, and another toilet and bathroom here, and the 5th bedroom is the maid's room, connecting to this one here, the kitchen, and it's really large kitchen. This one is the maid's room with own toilet and bathroom too. See, you have this total of 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bathroom, one large kitchen here, and a nice balcony, spacious living area, kitchen, then dining, and glass wall. And this is a penthouse unit of Marco Polo. And the best thing of this penthouse, 25% discount. Whether you are paying spot cash, bank financing, you can avail the 25% discount. Even you go to the other penthouse or the other developer who offer the same penthouse or the same quality development, maybe you can find, but they are just only offering like about 15%. If you found some developer that offers big discount, like maybe you can get 20% is the most high, but here 25% is for you, whether spot cash or bank financing. So please come, try to visit Marco Polo, and this is developed by the Federal Land. Contact me on my WhatsApp, +63 935 738 5814. My Viber and my Telegram is +63 905 2828 738. My email address is marcantonydavid697@gmail.com. And let's go together and let's see this penthouse, because I know if you have that budget, whether you don't have that very big amount, but you can avail a bank financing, bank loan, I encourage you to buy this one, because this is really a nice offer. This has been me again, Mark. Thank you.